Hi everyone. Today we're gonna work on math. So it's really easy. So it's for like preschool. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda nga lelo travail na biso na mathématique ya eza mathématique école primaire. Alors na ndenge na bongisili yango cours ya mathématique eza mwa mingi. Mais na okende étape par étape, okay? So guys, it's really easy, okay? So I can use the calculator to show you guys the answer. So what I can do here, if we type 1, 2, 3, 8 plus 4, 0, 4, 0 equal. So this is the answer. We got 5, 2, okay? And then 8, 8, right? This is the answer, right? Now, we see we got the answer, but we don't show people how we get it. So we're gonna redo it, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna write 1, 2, 3, 8. Now we're gonna write this one. We're gonna start here from 0 first. We're gonna write this 4. We're gonna write this 0. And we're gonna write this 4. Okay? Plus this, okay? Now 0 plus 8 equal 8. 4 plus 3 equal 7. 0 plus 2 equal 2. 4 plus 1 equal 5. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then we put a comma right here. Okay? So that's how we do it. Now we're gonna go to the next exercise, okay? So it's the same answer, this one. It's the same here, it's the same here, okay? So we're gonna do the next one. So we're gonna do same thing, okay? So we're gonna write this one first. 6, 1, 7, and 3. We're gonna write this one first, okay? 4, 8, 1, 2. And then we're gonna write this one 8, 1, 7, 3 plus. Okay? So I'm not gonna start from here. So 8 plus 4 equal what? Equal 12. Equal 12. Okay? 8 plus 4 equal 12. 12 plus 3 equal, we add this here. This is what we're gonna get. 15. Okay? So we're gonna put 5 right here. We get 1 right here. Okay? Now, when we carry this one, so what we're gonna do, 1 plus 8 equal 9. Okay? 9 plus 7 equal what? 16 plus 1, 17. We're gonna write 7 right here, and we care 1 right here. 7 plus 1 equal 8. 8 plus 1 equal 9. 9 plus 1 equal 10. We're gonna care 0 here. We put 0 here and 1 here. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 plus 6 equal 11. 11 plus 1 equal 12. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3 right here. So the answer is 1, 2, That's the answer. So we're gonna bring the calculator to make sure. So we have it right here, right? So what are we gonna do? 6, 1, 7, 3 plus 2, 1, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 1, 8 equal. This is the answer. This is what we got. This is the one. It's the same thing here. So that's the right answer. Now we're gonna do the next one, okay? So this is the next one we're gonna do. We're gonna write this one 2, 0, 0, 5, and then we're gonna write 4 here, 1 right here, 3 right here. We're gonna write 2 right here, 1 right here. Now we're gonna add the 0, okay? We add 0 here, we add 0 here, we add 0 here, and then we cross the line, plus, okay? Now 2 plus 4 equal 6. 6 plus 5 equal 11, okay? So what I have done, 2 plus 4 plus 5, so 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 5 equal 11, okay? So that's what I have done. So I put 1 here, I carry 1 on top. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 2 plus 1, this add 1, we add this one, it's gonna give us 3, okay? 0 plus 3 equal 3. 3 plus 0 equal 3. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 2 equal 2. So we count here 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna put the comma right here. So it's 2, 3, 3, 1. Okay. So when we get the calculator, we put 2005 plus 314 plus 12 equal. It's the same answer we got. Okay. Same one. Okay. Now we're gonna do the next one. Yeah, anyway, so this is the only thing we're gonna do today. So I don't want to give you guys too much, so the next video is gonna be different. I'm gonna cover different stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.